Good morning, traders. Alla Peters on the happiest September 13th, 2021. You are looking at historical structure. You are looking at Alpha Fibonacci system on institutional charts. Intelligent trader understands first time in 13 years we are at key institutional brick wall. Intelligent trader very well prepared, because when institutions will start closing positions, intelligent trader would not lose sleep, would not listen to panic, would be extremely well prepared, and would enjoy next crisis, as it's been done clearly since March 2020. S&P doubled in value since 2150 level. Market sold off from 4500 level, identified by Alpha Fibonacci system many months in advance. So this is a key chart intelligent trader always starts with a single glimpse knowing quite well. You are looking at historical event. It is extremely important week. And if I'm not here, intelligent trader extremely well prepared. No panic, no stress. Pure strategic intelligent trading. So this is key day trading chart. Buyer stepped in with vengeance, defending this level. Currently intelligent trader monitoring this. This is the end of the minor trend. Bullish crawl is on. Bullish rally overextended, but there is plenty of space to the upside. Intelligent trader understands by looking at this chart. It's a chop, it's a pain, not the place you ever want to enter into. It doesn't matter what chart you trade. Is it 5? Is it 15? Is it 1? It's a brick wall. Do not enter into. And if you are using a software, this is a software on exact same chart. And this is what software is showing clearly right now. We discussed all of this with my incredible students well before this played out. This is your trading range this morning. This is the area of chop. If price stuck between these two levels, it's not a pretty market. It's a whole lot of pain. We need for the price to crash to this level, or we need for the price to skyrocket to this level. Here, very limited trading range. No speculation, no pain. This is strategic, intelligent trading. This is strategic, intelligent preparation for your trade. That intelligent trader does every single day, well before it play out. Do not overcomplicate markets, please. If you decided to take that short, you remember forever where to take profits off the table. Do not overcomplicate trading. This is the power of the system in front of you each and every day. You decide what you want to trade. So with we discussing with my intelligent, brilliant traders, the trade is not on any of these charts. The trade is on very different charts. This is holding the key. For the trading room, I project the trades on multiple different charts. What does it mean, target RZ? RZ means reversal zone. Again, this is your trading range this morning. Again, bold green line means key Alpha Fibonacci support. Again, we're witnessing historical market formations since last week. Again, we discuss details in each and every live class. So if market's setting up for another much bigger historical crash, with Alpha Fibonacci System, intelligent trader extremely well prepared. No speculation, no random trades. Key moment in front of you. We need price to crash through this level. Intelligent trader understands. This is day trader's dream. This is day trader's dream. This is the middle. World of difference. Ultimate top, ultimate bottom with the power of software is ultimate day trader's dream. On Dow we have multiple alerts. But again, in order to trade, you must understand and learn the system. If you are in Australia, if you are in New Zealand, if you are in Saudi Arabia, or if you are in Europe, students watching videos 24/7. If you are operating your own business or have a job, at least 50% of our students do. You can view hundreds of videos 24/7. This is ultimate precision during historical market formations. Today, September 13th. This is your trading range this morning. Key moment in front of you. So take a look on the structure on S&P this morning on every single chart. This identifies very weak buyers. This identifies very weak sellers. Intelligent trader understands. We have plenty of space to the downside, but market always and forever, one step at a time. All of this identified well before it happened. With Alpha Fibonacci System, you can do this hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. All depends on the chart you trade. And if I take you back to exact same structure on Apple, this was Apple in 2015, 2016. I presented the biggest hedge fund convention, and what do I say? Apple crashes and announces the worst earnings in 13 years. Sell off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. I say the most important thing if this support will be held or not. It's a brick wall. Price skyrocketing from this level. Apple doubles in value. Worst earnings do not mean a thing. When Alpha Fibonacci support is present, it is drastically more important than the worst earnings in many years. Apple doubles in value. And you know, many months ahead, where Apple heading to next. One step at a time. Again and again and again. This is the power of the system. You are very well prepared for the next crisis. You are not in panic. You are intelligent, strategic trader. And when Apple crashes, you know many months ahead where ultimate bottom will be. where you can buy Apple. And that's the system with Apple since 2015. And that's S&P right now. No speculation here. None are present. If you can trade one instrument, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci System. The fact that buyers did not break through this level shows extremely weak bullish weakness. It is not something you've seen since March 2020. This is historical, institutional brick wall. Profit taking is on. Intelligent trader identified this many months and even years in advance. Hand holding in trading, never a recipe for success. If the next crash playing out, you are very well prepared. You are making a lot of effort right now. That's it. If you took this trade, your trading day is done. You are adding the lot size at the end of each month. You are never, ever adding the number of trades. One lot on S&P, $12.50. 5 points on S&P on one lot. Any questions for me, trading room? Please do ask. So has everybody received invitation for another webinar? Has everybody enjoyed the webinar this weekend? With my favorite subject, which is human brain. Sorry, I don't see any post from Theo. Did Theo posted something? I don't see anything from Theo. I see Geo commenting. No post. Yeah. Okay. So if you're joining us right now, it is by far the best time of the year to join. You can always request the invitation to the trading room to see the power of the system in the live markets. And you can read in detail. This is institutional system traded globally by institutional traders, by traders of all levels, from beginner to hedge fund manager. You can trade Forex, you can trade stocks, you can trade options, software for Ninja 8. And when you listen to podcasts and journeys of these traders, if they can do it, so can you. Listen to many other podcasts and view students' performance. And choose from 4 options appropriate for you. This fall, annual bootcamp, we're focusing on your ultimate brain health. In the meantime, pay attention. What playing out in front of you? Playing out the exact precise trading range. As again, when price comes to the green level, not the place to short. RZ means the place to exit your short. So if you're fortunate enough to sign up during the next few months, as we have only 19 spaces left, all the courses with a lifetime system, with group of private mentoring course, with video library and modules includes annual trading bootcamp. When you click on that link, this is explaining clearly. In this bootcamp, in live markets, we will be polishing Alpha Fibonacci system and Alpha Fibonacci rules. But the key part I will be focusing on when markets is asleep is much more than how to trade as a hedge fund trader, how to trade with ultimate accuracy, how to apply the power of the trend inception, trend reversal. This is the most important part, because when you master your ultimate brain performance, your mindset functions. Without brain health, there is no mindset. Trading becomes a pain. So when you optimize your brain, you optimize your mindset. So if you have not attended the webinar yet, please request a recording. And if you are a graduate, please contact for a special graduate prize by sending email to info@fibinstitute.com. I'm thrilled to present Brain Health for the first time in 11 years. I may never, ever teach this again. Only 19 space left. Value of 3,000 is included with total savings up to 8,000 for new students. 19 packages only. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much. I cannot wait for bootcamp during historical market formations.